On this day, we visited the Blue Springs State Park. It was the most beautiful sight of nature. The water was crystal clear and calm. They were 171 manatees, also known as the gentle giants or sea cows. It was pretty cool to see the manatees. Aw, look at these cute little puppies. They are so cute. The boardwalk was beautiful. It provides a wonderful opportunity for safely observing the manatees. You can also find a gift shop and canteen for food and drinks. This area you can rent a kayak. Sadly, we couldn't do it because it was windy. My mom and dad didn't want to take any risk. It was a fun day with nature and family. We had a great time. We did a 2-hour boat tour in the St. Johns River. Hope you enjoyed our video and please subscribe, share, and like. Stay safe, stay tuned for more fun videos.